What's going on, Josie? You ready for your swimming lessons?
Oh! Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Oh,
Whoa, are you alright? Go over there towards Daddy.
You gonna go swim?
oh, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
You gonna put your glasses on?
There you go. Oh, oh.
Be careful, you're gonna break them.
Here, no.
I think you made it already. There we go. There you go.
Yeah.
It's all the laundry.
Thanks. Can you not put that on camera, please?
Josie's doing the laundry. Here, I'll put them on.
We need to find her shorts.
There you go. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
Bye-bye.